Welcome to Circuit Analysis, an online book made available via a Creative Commons license by David Broderick and Peter Kutsukers. What is circuit analysis? This book applies Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, and Thevenin and Norton's theorems to circuits. Here, we are most concerned with the movement of charge or current. Current is defined as the rate of change of charge with respect to time. Voltage is a measure of potential energy in an electrical circuit. Voltage tells us how much work is performed to move a quantity of charge. Ohm's law shows how current and voltage relate through resistance. Resistance is measured in ohms. All materials have a value of resistance. Some are good conductors and have low resistance, others are good insulators with high resistance, and others are in between. Inductors are another sort of passive component we look at in this course. They store energy in their magnetic field. How much they store depends on their inductance. Inductance is measured in henries. Capacitors are the third sort of passive component in this course. They store charge depending on their capacitance. Capacitance is measured in farads. Operational amplifiers are active electronic devices that amplify voltages. In this book, we only deal with ideal operational amplifiers. The book shows different methods of circuit analysis that follow on from these fundamentals: mesh analysis, nodal analysis, superposition. Mesh analysis applies KVL to each mesh in a circuit. A mesh is a loop that does not cut any branches. Each mesh in a circuit generates an equation involving that mesh current and the other mesh currents. Solving this system of equations gives the mesh current values. Nodal analysis applies KCL to each node in a circuit. Each node in a circuit generates an equation involving that node voltage and the other node voltages. Solving this system of equations gives the node voltage values. Superposition lets us simplify a complex circuit into several simpler circuits and combine the results to solve the complex circuit. That's circuit analysis. You should have some background in mathematics and introductory physics. Strap in.